Hello everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Students, today we'll move forward to look after sentences. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself. In short, a group of words which makes complete sense is known as sentence. For example, PM Modi announces health ID for all under new mission. As you can see in this sentence, the group of words are there and it makes complete sense. So it is to be said as sentence. Moving ahead, we will see what are the types of sentences, kinds of sentences. There are two kinds of sentences. The sentences which are based on the function and the sentences which are based on the structure. Let's see the sentences which are based on the function. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. These are the types of sentences which are based on their function. Next one, sentences which are based on their structures. For example, simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Now we'll have a glance on sentences based on their function. The first one is we have four kinds of sentences as we have already seen in the first slide. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, or imperative sentence. Let's start with the declarative sentence or assertive sentence. The sentence which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history, or anything is called an assertive sentence. It ends with a period. For example, they have come to buy a car. Second sentence, James came up with such a unique rescue plan. And the last sentence, it tells someone's opinion about James' rescue plan. And second one, again it ends in a period. Moving ahead, the next part. Now let's talk about the interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. For example, would you like some cookies? The above sentence asks if you want cookies. As you can notice over there, it ends with a question mark. Now there are two kinds of interrogative sentences. One is WH type question, another one is yes/no type question. In WH type question starts with a WH word. For example, what, where, whom, which, whose, how, when, and so on. And yes/no type question, it answers the question yes or no. Am, is, are. It starts with the helping verb. Yes/no type question starts with the helping verb. Am, is, are, do, does, did, was, were, shall, will, have, has, had, or other modal auxiliary verbs. Next one, the imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives an order and it starts with a verb if it is positive command, and it starts with do not if it is a negative sentence. So imperative sentence is nothing but command. For example, leave this luggage at the gate. Next example, complete your assignments. As we can see, both the sentences has started with the verb First, in the first sentence, the verb is leave, and in the second sentence, the verb is complete. Next one, we have different kinds of imperative sentence. In some situations, we need to ensure that imperative sentences are used for other purposes also. For example, in the first example, consider vegetables over meat. This is not a command, it's an advice. Next one, leave this luggage at the gate. It's the direction, it shows the direction. Come here, check these documents and give me your opinion. It's an order. Put it down now, it's a command. Please clean your room, it's a request. Next one, the last one, that is exclamatory sentence. What is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings. It ends with an exclamation point or exclamation mark. For example, how far it is. Alas, we lost it. Hurrah, we have won the match. This sentence shows shows you how excited the speaker is, and it ends with an exclamation point. Sometimes the exclamation word may come at the beginning of the sentence. Remember the 4 kinds of sentences. Thank you very much. Thank you.